All right, boy, Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today is the day we give the results for the Kindness for Porpoise giveaway. Okay, first off, I want to thank everybody. Everybody that entered, you awesome. Okay, got 52 guys sent me videos, whether it be via Instagram, email, tag me in videos, plus dozens of guys sent in pictures of good deeds they were doing. You know what I'm saying? So a bunch of you guys. I really only expected 5 to 10 maybe, but 52 of you guys, man, that's awesome. For the past week, you guys definitely made Earth a better place to be. You know what I'm saying? All the craziness going on out there, so in my eyes, you all are a winner, as well as your greater power, whoever that may be, alien, Allah, God, whoever it is, you're a winner in their eyes. Trust me. Yeah, so thank all of you guys. Just wanted to come in here, thank everybody before I get into the video and show how I selected, who I selected, and who won. Got everything boxed up. The one gun, Porpoise, ready. Going to the post office Monday morning, dropping everything off for you guys. The two guns here, ready. So everything's packed, ready to go, okay? I'm going to get into the video now, show you guys how I selected and who I selected, to be the winner. Again, thank all of you. You all are winners. And in the future, I think this is the way I'm going to do all of my giveaways, Hopefully, once I get bigger up there, once the channel grows and I get bigger and get better guns, this is what we're going to do. Same type of giveaway. So maybe even more guys will want to go out and do good deeds for our waters and Segolas and stuff like that. But I'm happy with the way this turned out. So I'm gonna go do the voiceover, show you guys who's who, what's what, and that's it. Thank you guys again. Okay, and for the first winner, see here, 10 comments on this channel, 2 comments on this channel. I always tell you guys, like, share, comment. 4 comments on my channel. So I'm picking someone who has a lot of comments. I went through all of these. 4 comments on this channel, 7 comments on this channel. I went through all of these personally myself. 30 comments on this channel, 21 comments on this channel. Tell you guys, like, comment, 1 comment on this channel. Like, comment, subscribe. 19 comments on this channel. I got to take care of the guy. 2 comments on this channel, 1 comment on this channel. See what I'm getting at? 3 comments on this channel. Okay, 1 comment on this channel. 2 comments on this channel. Like, share, comment, subscribe. 4 comments on this channel. Okay, so you get my drift on how I selected the winner of the 1 spray gun. Okay, so the winner of the 1 Porpoise spray gun is this gentleman right here. 100 plus comments on my channel, Rights RR and T. Please message me, sir. Get me your address so I can get the 1 Porpoise spray gun out to you. Next, for the good deeds, there's one gentleman here. What this guy was doing, drive out to homeless people. This particular situation was a homeless veteran in a wheelchair. The gentleman went out, went to the individual, gave him water, gave him sandwiches, shake his hand there. Now that part I don't know if I would have done, but hey man, that's what your heart tells you, hands of God, water, sandwiches. A lot of these guys, man, they out scratching their nuts and stuff. I don't know if I shake his hand. But hey man, that's what his heart told him to do. You know what I'm saying? I might give him a little fist bump, a little dap, but we ain't shaking hands, brother. Okay, that's 1. Now, same guy, man. Same guy. Went to another. Here's a lady out holding the sign. Took her cold water, sandwiches. And the guy actually went around multiple times. Sometimes it was raining. You know, he sent me the video in. He couldn't do anything, couldn't get out because it was raining. I mean, this guy went out of his way to be a nice guy, man. You know, giving these people food, water, sandwiches, and now even the third guy. And this is his voice now when he pulls up.
Well, it doesn't have a sign, but looks like he needs a sandwich, maybe.
So yeah, pulls up to a third guy. Guy doesn't even have a sign or anything. Yes, he just feels like it's hot out there. The guy needs some food, water, whatever the case. But went out to this guy. So he drove around doing this, man, multiple times. And this gentleman, this young man here, is going to be the winner of the two Porfis PRD 717 spray guns. I mean, if that ain't a good deed, man, then I don't know what is. And this is not to discount anything that all of you guys have done. The other 51 people that sent in videos, you know, all of you guys are awesome. But this here's the guy, man, that's going to win the two spray guns. So congratulations, Mr. Nick Krill, 7718. You're the winner of the two Porfis spray guns. Hit me up, get me your address, your information, so I can get the spray guns out to you. Again, I want to thank everybody that entered. You guys are all awesome, man. I appreciate all of you, and God bless. Peace.